Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video we will be tackling this area here. Very overgrown, lots of brambles. Yep, quite a transformation. Then we move on to our next area. Yep, another big transformation. This area was well overdue, so I just decided to go up this morning and said, right, today we're going to clear this. And that's often the hardest part, is getting started, but it's well worth it once you do. Access is very important with a property. You need to be able to get to the different areas, and it was just becoming increasingly difficult. Boy, do these brambles grow. Okay, let's get trimming. Now, even though this is the farmer's little patch of land here, it's the approach to my property, and he doesn't mind me cutting it, and it just makes it feel so much better. Benefits him and it benefits me, so yep, I don't mind doing this. And later on in the video we'll be having a look in the kitchen. Yep, the cottage kitchen is coming on really good. I just want to show you what I've been doing. All about renovation. When you've got a big project, obviously, that you're renovating, you have to allow time for maintenance. It's very important. You need access to certain points around your property, and it looks a lot better, because nothing worse when you're tired and you want to sit down, you look round and you feel cluttered, don't you? So if it's all nicely kept, it is a battle, especially if you've got different levels. If you've got a ride on and a flat area, no big deal. When it's on multiple levels, there's lots of brambles and obstacles, it can take some time, so bear that in mind. Before, I just couldn't see the wood for the trees. It's now looking nice and neat, but I always leave in those wildflowers for the wildlife. At last, I've found the bench to sit on. Yes, it's took some clearing, but what a transformation. On to the next area. There's still lots to do, but Rome wasn't built in a day, so you have to pace yourself. Let's just have a walk down these steps here. It's been a long time since I've seen it this clear. Yeah, wow, that looks so much better. Tom has done a great job with the veg this year. It just allows me to keep on top of the garden. So let's go and see what I've been doing in the kitchen. Yeah, we've made some good progress. The design is coming together now. I'll show you what I've been up to. So we've got the shelf in the cupboard that I've built. Now this is just going to be for tins and bottles and tall items. The main storage is going underneath here. Big cupboards there, nice big deep cupboards. We've got the backboards on there. Not sure how I'm going to finish that off just yet. Might be tiles, it might be something else. So yes, we're making great progress. I'm still thinking about the colour scheme in here. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I ordered myself online, hopefully I'll win it, a nice enamel stovetop cooker, gas bottle cooker. It's great. So although we've made great progress, I've still got a fair bit to do, but I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, back to the garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did. It was nice to get it done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.